In this video, we will be detailing the hardwired installation of the Koda Motion-Activated Light Cam. We suggest installing the light at least 8.9 feet above the ground for optimal performance. It's also important that you test your Wi-Fi in the area that you plan on installing. We recommend streaming a video or running a speed test to check the Wi-Fi strength. Shut off the main power breaker and shut off any switch that may be dedicated to your light. Refusing to do so could result in serious injury or death. A pre-installed outlet box needs to be present in order for you to hardwire your light cam. If you do not have an outlet box, please contact a qualified electrician. Use a voltage tester to ensure the power is off. Uninstall the existing light and remove any mounting brackets. Next, you can remove the two rubber plugs on the light cam. Remove the power box screws underneath. Place these aside for now. Next, detach the mounting plate from the power box. Place the mounting plate over the junction box and secure it with the two provided mounting screws. Level the mounting plate before completely securing it to the wall. Loosen the dedicated green ground screw and secure the ground wire. Tighten the screw to secure the ground wire. Pull all wires through the mounting plate if not already done. Remove the 4 screws on the power box using the provided Phillips screwdriver and remove the backing. Disconnect the 2 wire nuts and separate the positive and negative wires. Save the wire nuts for later. Remove the retainer clip from the power bushing and pull out the power cord. Save the retainer clip for later. The power cord is only used for the direct plug installation method. If you would like to use the direct plug method, click here. Insert one end of the S-hook through the hole in the power box and attach the other end on the mounting plate. Gently allow the light to hang while you complete the wiring. Line up the white neutral supply wire to the white light fixture wire. Place the wire nut over all wires and twist clockwise to secure. Bring the 2 black positive wires together and place the wire nut over both. Twist clockwise to secure the wires together. Install the waterproof cap back into the power box where the cord was removed. Failure to do so may result in serious injury or death due to water entering the unit. Reinstall the retainer clip. Slide the light cam onto the mounting plate and reinstall the screws and rubber covers. We recommend applying rubber silicone sealant around the edge of the mounting plate to block any dust or fluids from entering the unit. Do not apply sealant to the bottom of the mounting plate. You can now restore power to the breaker box and turn on your light cam. Open the Koda app and connect to the camera. You can adjust the angle of your camera to meet your specific needs. To adjust the camera's position, loosen the jewel screw and tighten it once in the correct position. If you need help setting up your camera, watch this video. The link is also in the description. To learn more about installing and setting up your light cam, please visit our website and product support page. If you have any questions or comments, post them below or contact customer support.